All right, so today I got this package. I got the Supernote A6X today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing here. You can see I have not opened this thing up. So I'm gonna open it up with everyone here. Tear off the seam. Alrighty, so I bought the Superstar edition with the Lamy pen. Go ahead and take this out of the box. Everything's pretty straightforward. Put a phone, and here we go. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Front and back. Go ahead and take the plastic off. I'm excited for this one here because this one comes with the Lamy pen as well. And this is actually my first Supernote tablet. I do have the Onyx Books tablet, the Nova 2, and I was really interested in seeing how this compares to the Nova 2. So let's go and open it up. Alright, so everything's black. Into the book we have the cover. Nice little cover here. We'll put this on here in a minute. Put that to the side. We have that pen. Feels really nice in the hand. Put that there. And we have the tablet. Go ahead and pull that out. You can see that there. Put that to the side. What else do we have in the box? So we have the typical instructions, user guide, have some stickers. Have the pen tools, some extra nibs, and a charging cable. Let me see, anything else? No, and that's it. I'm surprised it doesn't come with the regular pen as well. I was wondering if it would come with both, but as you can see, it does not. It only comes with one pen. Okay, I'll put this box to the side. Put the instructions to the side. And go ahead and pull off the plastic. Here, it's pretty sticky here. Let's see. Right, you have the button up top for power. We have the USB-C port on the bottom, and that's it, which is pretty comparable to, as I mentioned, the Onyx box, the Nova 2, where again it's just a power button and charging, the USB-C for charging, and this also supports OTG. Let's go ahead and power this up. Okay, so it powers up to the setup here. Not sure if it's pretty clear, but let's see. I'll go ahead and select English. Okay. If we can zoom in a bit. It has the Wi-Fi settings. I'll go ahead and skip that. Do that next. The pen, go ahead and select through there. Okay, so user experience project. I will not participate right now. It goes through some of the instructions on how you can use the little slide. Okay, congratulations. It is unlocked. I'll go ahead and continue. It walks through a few more instructions here. Create new note. And let me see. Great, you got your own notebook now. Let's see what convenient tools are inside. I'm going to go ahead and skip. Skip this one. X out here. And okay, that's pretty much it here for the unboxing. Next, what I will do, let's go into the system here. Kind of just want to see what the defaults are. I did actually go ahead and put Wi-Fi on. So if we go into the menu, click Supernote, and we can see in this area here, I have the Wi-Fi set up. See, it came fully charged. The system firmware that's installed here is C.053. System version is this Chevette 1.0.1. And I did check to see if there's an update earlier after putting the internet, setting up Wi-Fi, and it does say that there's no update necessary at this time. So it does have the latest version already installed on it. One thing I did note here was the available memory. So it comes with 32 gigs of memory, but it's saying the available is 22.9. So roughly 23 gigabytes that are on, available for us to use when you get the device. So there's roughly, let me see, 9 gigs being used by what? I guess that's a question I'll have to figure out. But it seems weird that there's already that much storage. Almost 10 gigs, right? 9 gigs being used when we get it. I didn't think the OS would be that big. I'll have to look into that. Then if we go into the About, and we can see it's the Supernote A6. Not sure if that's coming out pretty clear or not. Hopefully that's a little clearer. Supernote A6, and then the size is the 7.8 inch. Now you can go ahead and edit the name, go into applications, tag setting of sidebar. Let me see what this shows. Okay, so this is really just so you can kind of customize the menu. And then the introduction support. All right. So this, I guess I have to have the mobile app and then scan it in order to scan the QR codes on my phone in order to get the mobile app. And feedback. and an area here to leave feedback. Going to security and privacy. So here I said I did not want to do the user experience project. You can go ahead and change that here. And change the display and input. So the fonts, the date time formatting, the language, the keyboard, stylus calibration, preferred settings, and then screensaver in this area as well. So I will go ahead and set this thing up. I still need to configure an account online, and then I can configure the synchronization for this here as well to Supernotes Cloud. And it looks like it already has a Dropbox feature here where I can add in my Dropbox account. So I'll do that as well. And then I'll go through a more fuller review of the product as I use it. So thank you for watching this unboxing of the Supernote A6X, the 7.8 inch e-ink device from Supernote. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be putting out more content in the future on these e-ink tablets. I do have the Nova 2 that I'm also going to do a review on. So subscribe to the channel and get notified of these different reviews as they come out. So everyone have a good day. Bye.